In the bustling heart of 19th-century industrial America, a grim reality unfolded. Here, within the towering walls of textile mills, children toiled tirelessly, their youthful dreams swallowed by the relentless machinery. The mills of Lowell, Massachusetts, were the epicenter of this tragic tale. Thousands of young souls, many as young as 5, labored from dawn to dusk, their hands stained with dye, their eyes clouded by the dust of weaving looms. The mill owners, driven by the insatiable demand for affordable textiles, exploited the vulnerable. They paid these children pennies, offering them a meager existence in exchange for their labor. The children's education, health, and well-being were sacrificed on the altar of profit. However, in the face of such oppression, hope was not extinguished. A group of brave reformers, led by the formidable Francis E. Willard, rose against the injustice. They documented the plight of the child laborers, exposing the cruel practices of the mill owners to the public. Their efforts did not go unnoticed. The public outcry led to the establishment of the Massachusetts Bureau of Labor Statistics in 1869. This marked the first step towards regulating child labor and improving the living conditions of the mill workers. But the battle was far from over. The fight for child labor reform continued across America, with states like New York and Pennsylvania following Massachusetts' lead. In 1938, the Fair Labor Standards Act was passed, setting a minimum age for employment and limiting the hours children could work. The story of child labor is a testament to the indomitable human spirit. It serves as a reminder of the power of unity, the importance of education, and the relentless pursuit of justice. The children who toiled in the mills may have been silenced by their labor, but their stories echo through history, inspiring us to strive for a world where every child can dream, learn, and grow, free from the shackles of exploitation. In the annals of American history, the fight against child labor stands as a beacon of hope, a shining example of the power of collective action. It is a story that continues to resonate, a call to remember, learn, and act, so that the tragedy of child labor may never repeat itself.